YouTube channel. So I just finished getting ready. So this is a video which is a week in my life. I'm trying to do this vlogging at home kind of thing and see how it works out. Particularly today, I decided to vlog because I'm actually going to leave the house today. Haven't been out of the house in like a month. Yes, I haven't been out of the house in exactly a month today. So my mom and I are going to go buy groceries and a couple of stuff, some snacks and whatever. So I'm just gonna take you guys along. Might end the video today, or I might drag it out for the whole week because I know I'm going to be creating content throughout the week. But right now I have a meeting, that's why I was bathing, and well, an online meeting, but I mean it's one reason to bath every day. So that's what I'm going to do, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please like it and please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. On the road to 1K, on the road to 1K. So please just do me that one favor, do me that one favor. I'm a year on YouTube in I think July, or I think June, I think July, and my goal for them isn't 1,000 subscribers. My goal is monetization. So those two things aren't the same. So what I will request from you is not even to watch all my videos, but the videos that you do watch, please watch the whole thing. Like, please watch the whole thing, because what matters is the watch time more than like the subscribers at this point in time. So in order for me to get monetized, pretty please just watch the whole video. And I try to not make my videos too long. This one might be because it might be a week long something. So yeah, anyway guys, I hope you do enjoy. Let me get my day started. I have a meeting, so let me attend that. So I just finished my meeting, and luckily that's like my only critical meeting of the day. I do have another one, but after that one I'm just gonna ask my manager if I can go and shop before the stores get too full tomorrow. Yo, my lips are dry, my hair is shady, and like I don't even do video calls, so I don't even know why I'm wearing a wig. Normally I'd go without, but yeah, so I will see you guys when I go to the mall. Okay, cool, bye bye. Linda.
17 rand.
In carrots.
Carrots, babe.
How much is it supposed to be?
Hey, mom, in carrots, what's it about? 7 rand 99.
So cheap.
Come here, rude boy.
Yo, I've been craving chocolates and I haven't had, so I'm gonna. Yo, guys, look at my nails. They're cute. Oh. No, I'm saying this is all skincare, and I'm saying what's veiling things into zesikhumba. Okay. This is acetone, guys. Yeah, no, this is not the life. I'm tired. We're leaving Galleria now and heading back home. But I'm happy because I got some face masks and a lot of snacks, and I can take off these nails.
What if I go out here?
This is wild. Cyril needs to tell us some good news. You need some good news, Cupcake? Managed to get myself some Astros. I've been craving them so much, eh? Because obviously he's not doing his job.
Honestly,
No, ngithandi.
mina nje ngabe ngizokuthi ngathi ngipizza. Umuntu othanda ipizza yakhaya usibonisa.
Yeah, true. And he doesn't even eat it without Evo, which is weird. Yo, that's yamnandi.
Really?
I think it's a tomato paste, ne? So that's why I remember when we went to go buy groceries and that's I saying it with them kids because I want to make pizza.
So what were you going to make your own tomato paste?
I thought that's the only way to make it like properly. So
ngithenga nasethinini ukuthi ngiyistuff le ehlala ethinini because awukwazi ukukala. Awukwazi ukukala oyizoyisebenzisa le.
as you guys saw me getting ready, I'm actually just gonna try and take pictures in that corner in this room. So basically this camera is the one I'm gonna use to record so that I can include it in a video, and then this camera here is the camera that I'm going to use to take the pictures. So this is just the behind the scenes. Sorry, I'm taking this video with my phone because obviously both my cameras are working, so the exposure is a bit of a mess. But yeah, you guys should let me know if you want me to actually give you a detailed video of how I actually take videos with this 2-camera setup. So this will be obviously for like people who are planning on purchasing Canon cameras. I can do this video for you to show you how you can use your software optimally. Idea for the shoot is just to take a picture eating my leftover pizza. Nothing hectic. So there's this YouTuber called Mia Randria, right? I will link her in the description box, her channel. She makes like really good content. Felt like it was a bit awkward that you guys can't see me. So Mia makes this really good content on how to take good content like at home, and her first video that I watched was, I think, her making, no, it was how to edit her like pictures or something like that, but that's not the point. The one that really stuck out for me was like the one where she was making content like while sitting in bed or something like that, which I found really, really nice. So I'm attempting it with the small corner in this room, and we'll see how it turns out. If I really like them, you'll see them on my Instagram. Follow me there. And yeah, so we'll see how that turns out. But I'm kind of excited for it. And also, my pizza tastes so good. I'm never buying Debonair's ever again. Anyway, let me do this. I'm running out of time. I have work tomorrow. So earlier I tried to show you guys a little bit of like how I was taking my pictures that I posted today. My battery died like almost instantly, and I was using my other camera, so I didn't know that it wasn't really like charged. But since, well, actually I'm wearing something different. I tried to shoot more pictures in this shirt. I didn't really like those pictures. It didn't really work out as well as I'd wanted it to. But I didn't change. What didn't I like about them? I don't know. I think I'd gotten tired anyway, and the pictures were like not as crisp as I would have liked them to be. And I have this thing where, you know, when I'm trying to create, I'd rather have like one good photo set or one good piece of content than having multiple like mediocre pieces of content, I guess. Anyway, this is not important. I actually wanted to show you guys what I got. Came the other day. Yeah, it was my first day out of the house, and I actually realized I haven't used or opened the plastic since we went to Discount. So I'm just going to share with you guys some of the things that I bought. What's this? Oh, okay. So I got these vitamin C tablets. So I know that we need to like keep our strength up and stuff like that. So I got that. Haven't actually had them as yet, but definitely will. Yo, my nails. Sure. So also got some Dettol soap and Lifebuoy soap. Of course I got Lifebuoy soap as well. I got, this is the Pond's Flawless Radiance Serum. So in actual fact, this is, yo, did you guys hear that buzz? Yo, I'm seeing, sorry about that. So literally this serum is the one thing I swear by for my skin, and not because of like results really, like it does have results, but the best thing about it really is honestly how it feels on your skin. Like you can feel it working, if that makes any sense. Okay, fine, let me not ramble. Okay, so I also got activated charcoal. Why did I say it like that? I actually do not know why I got activated charcoal. I think Kay mentioned something about activated charcoal on one of her videos, I don't know, and so I got it because I trust her opinion, even though I don't really know what it's for right now, but I got it. You know what the one thing is about lockdown, whatever, is that because you're saving a bit of money, it seems like completely feasible for you to just purchase like anything. Oh, okay. I got sweets. Yeah. I got this gel sanitizer, waterless gel sanitizer, but I actually really, as much as fine, I do need sanitizer. Also got it because of the bottle. I'm sure I can put this bottle to good use at another stage in time. So I was like, yeah, cool. Did you guys see my nails? Did you guys see my nails? I actually, after this, to be quite honest, I definitely need to remove my nails because really, like the bottom, like, no, they're disgusting actually. I'm sure I bought acetone. Yep. Definitely got acetone. So in actual fact, the acetone was in the marked off part of Discam, right? And I was so sad because I was like, I really need the acetone. And mind you, I did have acetone. My mom got me acetone before the lockdown because I was like, okay, fine, I'm gonna have to remove this gel. So I really knew I needed to remove these nails. But there's this one day I decided to just sit down and like see like if I even know how to actually remove my nails. And then I didn't close the cap on my acetone. When I get up the next day, all the acetone is like evaporated, and I hadn't used it like at all. So yeah, I'll actually do it right after this, to be quite honest. I got this L'Oreal Pure Clay Blemish Rescue Mask. Like, as you can see, well, you can't really see clearly, but I have like about a couple of pimples right now. And lately I had been like neglecting my skincare or whatever, purely because I'm just lazy, I guess. And I had been using this particular, like these clay masks, but I really love the black one, the charcoal one. It's a detoxifying one, and I had not tried this blue one, which is for blemishes. So I decided that let me just try it this time around and see how good it is. So I got that. I also got these Pond's clay masks, and I have tried, I think, which one did I try? I think I tried this pink one only, and I really like the results from the Pond's clay mask. But like, my only issue with it has really been like the texture of it. As much as it does the job, it does the trick, like it's amazing. Like, I actually really like Pond's brand generally, but like especially for serums. And I also use this hydrating gel as well, moisturizing gel. It's nowhere near me, I'm not gonna fetch it. But these masks, the only problem that I have with them is literally I just don't really like how it feels on my skin. It feels really slimy. I normally use the sorbet one, but I went to Clicks, I went to Dischem, not Clicks, and it's only sold at Clicks. But I'm excited to try this purple one and just see how it goes. And seems like I'm done. Oh yes, then I also got some lip therapy, and as I'm saying this, my lips are actually dry. What I've been using in the meantime, actually, is this. Does anybody use this tissue? It's the Bromley tissue oil. You know what the thing is about this tissue oil? The one time I don't know where I was coming from, but I was meeting up with my friend for some reason. So I get into her car, she finds me at Musgrave, I get into her car, and our lips were so dry. They were so dry. So I literally like said to her, I'm just like, dude, and she's like, no, yazi, nami, my lips are so dry, like, and like, it was a serious case of dry lips, like how lips, like, they were white. And I kept actually, I'm not know I'm going on by magic because my lips are dry. So I'm like, it's okay, yo dude, we need to, wherever we're going, we need to find someone because this is not it, né? And then she tells me, so when we get out the car, she tells me, no, actually we didn't even get out the car. She like reaches into her bag, she says, yes, in bed, so this is the only thing that I have. And I'm like, yo dude, I guess we're gonna have to use it. I don't think it will harm us to use tissue oil on our lips, nah. And then I think from then onwards, and like, when we used it, like instantly, like our lips were so restored, and we were just like, yo dude, this thing saved our lives. And then she told me like how her mom put her on lentolena, this tissue oil, and I was just like, my mom uses it too. It's like 50 rand at Beb, and it's so nice. Like I use it for everything, but that one time where I really needed it for Mlomeni, I just knew, oh, see, this product is the one. But okay, that's what I've been using. I didn't get it at this game, but being umlomo since I didn't have umlomo. I always use a lip balm actually. Oh, another thing is I actually got something else from Game. Let me show you. I already opened it because I was using it to like charge my phone and to plug in my hair straightener. But I got this extension cord set again because our extension cord broke. I really didn't know extension cords were that important until I didn't have one anymore. But I think I'm just letting you know because I think this was like a really good deal. I don't know if it's an essential. I took it from the section now where there's normally candy before you step out of the store. Okay, actually, I'm not listening. What am I doing? But ihambana local, it's got these two adapters thingies, and then it has like a 3-meter long extension cord, and I got it for like 330 bucks. I don't normally buy extension cords, but I damn well believe this is a good deal. I have not even finished my previous sentence. It was taped away, but I think it was only taped away because it was sitting in that area where you put izinto that people will probably pick up just before they reach the till, like candy and stuff like that in magazines. It was there, so I think it was taped up because it was there, not because I think an extension cord is a non-essential. They only sold it to me because I don't even think they would check if something had been taped away or not. I actually even forgot to mention that with the acetone, it was actually in that area in Zipo, and it was blocked off. And I was very sad, but like I was like, okay, I'm gonna take it anyway. So I did reach into the taped area and take the acetone. And I don't know what I was looking for in that. There's this aisle that has like these oils and stuff. But anyway, I got to the aisle and I saw that the acetone was available in that aisle. And then like, but I'll take my chances that when I go pay for one of the stuff, I'll just slide the acetone in there. No one will even notice that it was in the blocked off area. But when I saw it in the other like area with all the oils and it was there chilling, I was like, that means I actually can buy it, just not from that section or whatever. So that was me, and trying to be a rebel, basically. But yeah, all the stuff that I got, and yeah, so right now I'm just going to use this acetone, soak off my nails, and that's it. What else do I need to do? I think that's about it, actually. Oh no, it's work tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm just gonna remove my nails. That's very important for me to do. Actually, I should wash the dishes, then remove my nails, and then I think I'm just gonna wash off my makeup and get some sleep because I have work tomorrow. So, but I really wanted to make donuts today. I probably still will, but we'll see. actual fact, yesterday I was definitely supposed to make donuts and then wash my face and sleep, but my nails took so much longer than expected. Oh my gosh, Tracking over. Sorry about the noise. Okay, so as I was saying before we were rudely interrupted, I am going to make the cupcakes now. I didn't even show you guys my nails, so here they are. I tried to make them like as thick as possible. Okay, you can't see that. I'll try to make them like put as much nail polish as possible so that they don't like break while they don't have anything on them. So yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna make myself a cup of tea, make some donuts, and really close off this vlog because it's gone on for longer than it should have. Honestly, I really did intend to end it off yesterday, but I got so tired after doing my nails and I still had to get up for work this morning. So yeah, let me just make tea and talk to you guys a little bit later. It legit smells so good. This is it's an apple cinnamon tea from Lipton. I actually haven't tasted it before, so now I'm trying it. My mom used to drink a lot of it, so she was like, try it out. Okay, cool. Let me get out the ingredients to make these donuts. So I've mixed most of the ingredients together. Here's what I'm using because I'm actually filming with my phone. Yeah, I even brought my laptop to the kitchen so I can get this over and done with. The meeting, that is. Not you guys. I love you guys. Fill in the other half. Yeah, I just need to get done with the meeting and then get back to making donuts. Not sure if you guys notice that like my mood is a bit down, but I'm just like highly irritated. But yeah, so let me show you my donuts. I'm not irritated by the donuts. That's cinnamon, this is chocolate, and this one is with the glaze. But yeah, they actually taste really good. I already tasted that other bit with the cinnamon, these I'm gonna keep to take like an Instagram story or something like that. But I'm also gonna eat them like right damn now. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please tell me if you want to see more videos like this, because I enjoy making them, even though like they're very time consuming, but like I really enjoy making them. So do let me know in the comments, and happy rest of the week to you guys.